This will be very quick, just so you know. But as it says, again, the rest of the week is lab for you to finish up your portfolio. They're due Wednesday at the end of class. All right, I guess I can take them through Thursday morning, but I'm going to have a ton of stuff coming in from the afternoon class because there's a lot of people in there who are behind. Plus, I've got to do a student outcome assessment. So, as it says, if you're planning on using MobiRise, after we had our meeting on Friday, I thought I didn't really do a very good job of explaining it. So I went back and made this 3-part series right here. The first two are each about 20 to 25 minutes, and the last one is around 30 minutes. Plus, you can go out on the Rankin server and you can find the end product on here. And again, as I mentioned, really and truly, it's not like this is, oh my gosh, this is so fantastic. This is what the site looks like. All right. And I did not spend a lot of time on it, but there's my picture. It didn't come out very well, but here's the menu. And you'll notice if I click web, I go down to there. C#, I go here. ASP.NET, I go here. Android, I go here. Contact form, I go here. I can jump up again, etc. So the only thing for some reason I couldn't get this to work was this. When I clicked here, it was supposed to go here. Clicking here was supposed to go here, etc. For some reason, that didn't work. I used one of their built-in. Images. Feel free to use your own. And I did not mention this to you guys, I don't think, but I'm going to say it anyway. In fact, I think you heard this before, Keegan, but I'm going to say it again mainly for you, Angie, and that is if you go to pexels.com or you go to unsplash.com, all right, either one of those sites that you see right there, if you do need any free graphics of any kind, you can get a lot of stuff out there. I mean, you can go out to Google Images. I know that sometimes, they'll tell you that the stuff is free. Sometimes it's not free. Usually on pexels.com or on unsplash.com, if you're going to end up using their images, all they ask is that, like in the alt tag or something, you give attribution to whoever put it out there. All right. But other than that, like I said, the rest of the week is lab. I'm supposed to do this with you guys, and that's why I'm doing it. I'm not trying to waste my time or your time, but they've asked, and you should be able to go out, I would think, on Thursday afternoon and see what your final grades are. All right. I have no idea what's set up for fall right now. I know that Mr. Corrigan and Mr. Gudmested had a meeting with the other department chairs and assistant department chairs. What I have heard so far is they are hoping that in St. Louis, that this ban that they have on St. Louis and St. Louis County, they're hoping that ban is lifted June 1st because that's when they're going to start summer school classes. All right. As you probably know, we don't offer summer school classes for the program that you're in. All right. But if you did have to take any general education classes, I suppose you could take them then. And, again, the plan is for right now for us to be back in the fall semester. And as far as I know, I mean, like I said, as far as I know, that's the way that it's going to be. So as you're working through this stuff, if you have questions on anything, please email me. All right. Otherwise, again, I think I've said this to you before. Make a folder called portfolio. I called mine portfolio too. I already had a portfolio and that one's actually out there, but I didn't have the link to the contact page on that one. That's the only reason I added another one. But again, I explain the steps, what you should do, how to publish from MobiRise, etc. So if you go through that stuff and have any problems whatsoever, please let me know. All right. Other than that, if you don't have any questions, that's literally all I have. Like I said, we're only going to meet for about 5 minutes or so. So I will talk to you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.